Are you a little unclear about what piecewise functions are? Well, let's take a look. So a piecewise function is a function that is defined by different formulas. So there are different formulas for the different parts of the domain or the x values or the input values. Okay, so let's take an example. The common example is the absolute value function. F of x is absolute value of x. We know from the definition of that it's either equal to positive x when x is greater than or equal to 0. So in this case, you see when x values are greater than or equal to 0, then you have the f of x is this particular line. Okay, so when x is less than 0, that means in the negative values of x, what happens is f of x equals negative x. So let's say you have negative 2, then f of x is negative 2, that is positive 2. So it's again going to be over here. Okay, so that's basically a piecewise function, which are different formulas on different parts of the x values. So you see, notice here the different formulas on different parts of the domain, and one of this also to notice is one is greater than or equal to, so and here is less than 0, and we'll come to that in just a minute. Okay, all right, so let's take another example. In this case, we have f of x is x plus 3 if x is less than 1. So less than 1, so this is 1 right here, less than 1, all the values less than 1, this is represented by this graph x plus 3, which is this line right here. Now notice that this is less than only, so it's represented by an open circle, not a closed circle. Okay, all right, now the next formula is when x is greater than or equal to 1. So starting from here going this direction, what you have is it starts with a closed circle because this is greater than or equal to 1, and is given by this parabola that is shifted right towards the right 2 units, x minus 2 whole squared. So that is this parabola right here. Okay, so that is this piecewise function represented by 2 different formulas. All right, so let's go ahead and take another example real quick. So what we have in this example is f of x squared minus 3 when x is less than 0. So when it's less than 0, you see right here it is x squared minus 3. So this parabola is shifted down 3 units, as you notice. Okay, and when x is greater than or equal to 0, it's given by this formula 4x minus 3, which is this straight line right here, also starts with a closed circle because it is greater than or equal to. Okay, all right, x is greater than or equal to 0. So and this is represented by this straight line, that is 4x minus 3. So that in a nutshell is piecewise functions for you. All right, have a wonderful day and leave me any comments if you have any questions. Bye bye.